On August 27, 2022, officers from the Superior Police Department in Wisconsin would respond to a 911 call from a strip club. As the story goes, a male and female couple attempted to enter the club. However, the 19-year-old girlfriend was barred from entry as the club now served alcoholic beverages. The club allegedly told her she could only enter as a worker and offered an application. The girlfriend applied and the club allowed her in as a dancer. Supposedly, after she made a decent amount of tips, her boyfriend decided it was time to go. He allegedly scooped up all of her tips and physically escorted her out of the club. This action triggered the emergency call, and it wouldn't take long for police to find the couple walking nearby.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, ma'am, you want to come over here and talk to me?
Everything I fucking made
Ma'am.
tonight is ripped up.
Okay, come here. Come here. What's going on?
Everything I made at the strip club is ripped up and gone.
Okay, what's going on?
Can you please be nice?
Okay. Don't talk to him. Just look at me.
He was upset because I was stripping. And everything I made, he ripped up.
Okay. Who's he to you?
That's my boyfriend. Am I going to get arrested for stripping?
No, there's nothing illegal as long as you're doing it in an establishment that's licensed, which they are. What's your name?
No.
No. Look at me. Ma'am, look at me. Don't look at him.
Oh, he's going to get arrested. No. Can you just tell him to calm down?
Dude, I'm okay.
Step the
Please
back.
do not push
Step
me.
the back.
Do not swear at me. You're an officer of the law. Please do not swear
I
at
don't
me.
care. All right, tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Did you strike her?
I did not strike her.
Do you have an ID?
I do. Would you like to see my ID?
Yeah. Is that hers?
That's hers. I was carrying it for her tonight.
All right.
Here's my ID. You can
Right.
look at it. Don't hold my pocket. You did not have permission to go in my pocket. You did not ask to go in my pocket. You did not go.
Get out now! Get on the ground now, dude! You're gonna tased.
On the ground! No, that's not.
On your stomach now!
He wasn't supposed to.
On your stomach now!
No, he's going to turn.
Relax.
No, he punched him in the face.
Yeah, I'm
No,
sure he cocked back on me.
Stop.
No, what does he have? A fucking gun?
Stop.
He's gonna be able to.
Stop. Just relax. Just
You
relax.
know that was illegal. You
Stop.
fucking assaulted
Stop.
my boyfriend.
Stop.
He didn't.
No, it's not it.
That's police brutality,
It's
sir.
not police brutality.
That is police brutality.
Okay, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You straight up punched me in the face.
Yep, because you swung back like.
He did fucking swing at
Ma'am,
you. He put
stop,
his hand.
stop.
Sorry, I don't want to get.
Stop.
Here, we have one in custody.
You're right there. You good?
I am okay.
He has my backpack and my purse. Am I able to get that?
Yeah, just.
Yep, that's hers. Can you please give that to me? I don't feel like you had the need to punch me in the face, though.
If you cock back on me and you look like you're about to punch me in the face,
Yes.
I'm going to defend myself.
Oh.
You're not going to get an upper
Okay,
hand on
but
me.
you're out of the law. You have.
I have every right to defend myself. I wear a
Right.
badge and I'm a police
Right,
officer
but just
does not
because-
mean that you get to have the.
Big fucking gun, Jason.
Stop.
Do you understand that?
Jason.
Do you understand that?
Right, but just because I'm
So
a,
I will punch you in the face if I think you're about to attack me.
will you let me speak?
No, I won't.
But just because I'm a brown person, just
It has nothing to do with who you are.
It does have something.
It doesn't. It doesn't. Are you? You're done, bro. You're done.
Watch that.
He's trying to headbutt me in the head.
Don't cut the bag. Just take it off.
Shut up.
Just take it off. It's not my bag. It's not my bag.
Yasmina, stop.
Bag is hers.
You got a search on this side?
I have 2 grams of cocaine in my butthole.
Okay, outstanding.
And I have 3 grams of marijuana in my stomach.
No, there's not.
Good. You fucking piece of
He just tried biting me. I got another squad over here. This guy's trying to bite us and spit on. We just need him alone. Stop.
Don't punch me.
Stop.
It's illegal.
It's not. It's a pressure point. Stop.
Punching me in my throat is a pressure point?
It's not. It's underneath your chin. Stop.
He just punched me in the throat.
Stop, dude. You're gonna get tased.
Tase me then. I have a seizure disorder. You tase me?
Get back. Just go stand over there.
Having my money.
Just go. It's all ruined. Just go stand over there.
No.
Swear to God, sir.
Get back. You gotta sit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, get her back now.
No, this is legal.
No, you can step back. I'm not comfortable with you that close.
Why?
Get them, babe. Get them.
I'm not the one doing anything wrong.
Babe, help me.
I can't.
Please, baby, help
Nothing
me.
I can do. I'm sorry.
Up today.
You're on your own.
You really did.
I'm sorry.
Now you're going to jail for multiple offenses. That sucks.
Felonies.
Yep. You assaulted him.
Assault on a police
You
officer.
started it. You punched him in the fucking face.
did.
And you
He
just
swung
caused
back.
a seizure.
He swung on me.
I was protecting because you punched me. I was protecting myself.
Okay.
Right? I have the right to protect myself, don't
Yeah,
I?
that is in the rule book of the laws.
Got him?
So
Because you punched
started
me.
it first.
I protect myself. Nope.
Yeah.
All right.
I was protecting myself from you. Ow.
You left your cop car locked, dumbass.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your fucking mouth. Don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to my fucking woman like that.
Stand by. There's a knife back there.
Ow.
Hey, water, can you water on the other side?
We get an idea on her?
Ow! Information I just haven't on her.
Ow.
There you go. Pull.
What do I do about my money getting cut up?
Don't worry about it. I don't know. See ya.
I've seen that the strip club before. It's like, no, don't worry about it. We don't bill it too.
I've never been to the strip clubs here. Yeah.
Really? I've seen it 100 times.
Ow. Ow.
Stop.
It hurts.
Really? So
It hurts.
we're trying to fix it. Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts.
Hey, go back, relax. Go back, stop. Relax.
We're done with her. You need to leave, otherwise you're going to get arrested.
No, because this is legal. I'm allowed to stay close.
You
to
are
what's going
interjecting into our scene right
What am I
now.
doing? For
You're getting too close. I told you that multiple times. So just stop. It's very easy.
You're built easy. Did you know that?
I don't know what that means.
That means anybody can f you.
Cool.
It hurts.
Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts.
Roll him on his side.
No. Ow.
On his side.
It fucking hurts.
Stop.
Ah. God damn it.
Sit him up. Sit him up.
Ah.
Battery, disorderly conduct.
Somebody grab the house.
His charge?
You don't need to hobble me. Just shut the fucking door. Hey.
That's another call.
Get him down. Shut that door now. Shut.
You started it.
No, he just headbutted one of my officers.
He's better two
He
officers.
started it.
Okay. You need to leave now. If you don't have a criminal complaint, you need to
I have a
leave.
criminal complaint.
Okay.
So it's in my boyfriend.
Okay, have a good night.
Blood on you.
Yep.
Blood on
It's fine.
With a big rag.
Can you let the jail know that he's very uncooperative? They're going to need quite a few people.
On the way to the jail, the suspect continues lashing out, and according to police reports, he continually bashes his own face into the window that separates the front and back seat.
You pieces of shit. I told you to shut the fucking doors. Roll my window down.
I'm Tony Marino, just getting started on the party for the class of 1980.
This has a lacerations for it from slamming against the window here.
Are you afraid of him? No. You don't think he's gonna hurt you or your children?
Huh?
Or your children if you have children?
Oh, God, no. I ain't got no
Okay.
children.
Do you have any questions for us at the moment?
Yeah. Who's paying for my backpack?
Well, if you want to make a complaint about the backpack being damaged,
No,
you
but I
can
want
contact
to
your
make a complaint
supervisor.
about the officer who punched me in the face. I'll do that.
Okay. That's all up to you if you want to contact your supervisor. You have the right to
And it assures a summer full of delicious meals coming off that grill.
What is your name, man? Okay, I'm trying to help you out. I'm not asking you a question. I'm looking to see if you're going to be cooperative with jail staff. What'd you say?
refuse to answer any questions. I refuse to be cooperative with jail staff.
All right, man.
Officers place a spit hood over the suspects as he had bit and spit at officers during the arrest. They may also be doing this to prevent the suspect's blood from getting everywhere.
Walk. I'm gonna get underneath.
Can we check what's going on?
Yes.
Another officer then calls the local hospital to inform them about the suspect's unruly behavior, sparing no detail. Upon hearing this information, the hospital shares that they refuse to take the patient in, as he risks the safety of their staff. In the meantime, medics from the fire department look at the suspect first.
Gentlemen, he's cooperative now. I don't know if that's false or if he's now going to remain cooperative. I did call ahead to give Superior ER a heads up, and they obviously were like, we don't want him here, but I tried to give him a courtesy heads up, and they were not having it. Why don't you take a look? Maybe he doesn't need to go. I don't know.
At this point, the officers were able to successfully determine the suspect's identity.
He has seizures and was threatening to do this before.
Seizures from what?
Pseudo.
Pseudo?
Yep.
I don't do any pseudo. I don't seem to be that intoxicated, or what's
I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if it's all charade or it's probably the most violent I've ever seen toward officers for sure.
You gotta make sure there's nothing going on with your skull and your brain, okay? Stop it! I'm wondering if we should sedate him. If he's willing to cooperate, we can put him in soft restraints and have it above and to the side.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
The suspect was arrested and charged for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest at that time. He was sentenced for resisting and spent 30 days in jail. He had been out of jail for just 1 week before he got into the altercation captured in this.
Almost got me. Yeah, I did. I saw it. I came over here.
He's gonna be able to get out of this. That extra stuff, I think we can add. If you guys just want to follow us to the ambulance.
The handcuffs are cutting me.
You probably would have had better luck if you started cooperating, Jason. Step out, paramedic.
Can't do this anymore. I got the handcuffs. I got your handcuffs. That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking is to loosen the handcuffs just a little bit.
Just stop.
Just a little bit to loosen the
Can we
handcuffs.
talk? Can we man-to-man talk?
Yes.
We have a 5-minute ride to St. Mary's and those cuffs come off.
Okay, can
and then
you
you go
please-
into soft restraints. Can make it 5
I
minutes.
cannot. It needs some morphine and some gabapentin.
Oh, that's what he wants.
Is it going to break if I cuff this to that?
Hey. We're getting you your meds.
I can't do it no more. I can't. I'll give you this. I did not. I did not give you.
You know, I didn't know, but yeah.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
Jason, do you have any known medical issues?
Give me some morphine.
I was genuinely worried he was going to hurt me.
The suspect gave in for the rest of the trip, from the hospital to the jailhouse, likely with the help of his sedation. For this incident, the suspect was charged with 1 count of battery on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of attempted battery of a law enforcement officer, and 1 count of resisting an officer. For his sentencing, 1 count of attempted battery and resisting was dismissed, but read in, meaning he would not face a punishment, but those crimes would remain on his record. For battery of a law enforcement officer and 1 count of attempted battery, he was sentenced to 60 days of jail and 30 months of probation each. His sentence runs concurrently, meaning he will serve all sentences at the same time. However, based off clues played out by court documents, on April 13, 2022, with just 1 day left of his 60-day jail sentence, he was charged for another incident for battery as a prisoner. Court documents suggest this crime was against an officer at the jail. For that incident, on August 28, 2023, his previous 30-month sentence of probation was revoked, and he would instead spend 1 year in county jail, with 164 days of credit. If he follows the rules, he should be out of jail at this point, at least by the middle of March of 2024.